Saxo just announced their new pricing, but is it worth it?
Saxo has just improved their prices and are now on par and in some cases cheaper than your low-cost brokers as well. Their fee structure is simple and they don't charge a platform fee, so only commissions at 0.08% or the newly lowered minimum commission of $1.
This puts them on par with almost everyone else. The big kicker though is their exchange rate. They offer one of the best exchange rates, and when you convert SGD to the relevant currency for your trades, they are one of the most affordable brokers out there.
Here's an example of the numbers if you are looking to buy 10 Apple shares.
To put this into perspective, other brokers' conversion fees can run up to almost $7 and even up to $13 for the exact same transaction, which pushes the cost of buying 10 shares anywhere from $8 to $33. TLDR, Saxo's definitely not the most expensive broker out there, and even more so now with their new pricing.
Remember, it is important to carefully calculate all the costs involved in a trade when choosing a broker, and not just the commission rate. If you'd like to try Saxo out, head over to the link in our bio.